we'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT 4 effectively on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official OpenAI website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in or create an account if you haven't already. After logging in, navigate to the ChatGPT section. You'll see an option to start a new chat. Click on it to begin. In the chat interface, you can type your questions or prompts in the text box at the bottom of the screen. It's as simple as typing out your question and hitting enter, or clicking the send button. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on your input. You can continue the conversation by typing follow-up questions or prompts. Remember, the more specific your questions, the more accurate and helpful the responses will be. If you need to clear the chat and start fresh, there's usually a reset or new chat button at the top of the interface. For more advanced features, like adjusting the response creativity or accessing saved conversations, you might find these options in the settings menu or under your account dashboard. Don't forget to check if there are any new updates or features added to ChatGPT 4, as OpenAI frequently enhances its capabilities. Finally, if you ever need help or run into issues, the support or help section on the website can provide additional guidance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.